Good afternoon, students. Today we will see about the organometallic compounds. The 18 electron rule, metal carbonyl and its sandwich compounds, unique reaction of organometallic and their use in explaining homogeneous catalysis. Organometallic chemistry, it has an area which bridges organic and inorganic chemistry. A branch of coordination chemistry where the complex has one or more metal carbon bonds. The metal ligand interactions are mostly pi acid type. So in this diagram on the slide, you have seen about the how that metal carbonyl bonds they are formed by sigma type and pi type. What all compounds are considered as organometallic? This is that see always an electronegative compound to metal. The leading journals of the field define an organometallic compound as one in which there is a bonding interaction, ionic or covalent, localized or delocalized, between one or more carbon atoms of an organic group or molecule and a main group transition lanthanide or actinide metal atom or atoms. Following long-standing tradition, organic derivatives of the metalloids such as boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic and tellurium are also included in this definition. It is also understood that the element to which carbon is bound is more electropositive than carbon in organometallic chemistry. Traditional chemists do not agree for classifying metal cyanide complex as organometallic. This solved the first transition metal organic metal compound. In this case, the breakthrough the isolation of a pure crystalline compound came when Zales add potassium chloride to a concentrated platinum tetrachloride ethyl alcohol reaction solution and evaporate the resulting solution. Beautiful lemon yellow color crystals, often 1/2 inch or more in, were isolated. On longer exposure to air and light, they gradually became covered with a black crust. They contained water of hydrogen which was lost when they were kept over the concentration sulfuric acid in vacuum or when heated in around 100 degrees centigrade. Chemists in those days often reported how the compound that they have had prepared tested. Just described the taste of the potassium salt as metallic, acid, and long lasting. So this is the about the scientist how he works about the salt which forms the first of organometallic compound. The first sigma bonded organometallic compound diethyl zinc. The reaction which is to be shown here and the diagram or block diagram which is to be mentioned here that the compound is organometallic. The student of Robert Bunsen burner fame, prepared diethyl zinc while trying to make ethyl radicals. In 1825 to 1899, as the early 1850s, English chemist Edward Franklin described flask exploding, throwing bright green flames across his lab as he heroically distilled dialkali zinc compounds under the atmosphere of hydrogen. The metal carbonyls. In this reaction that you have seen about how that metal and the carbons bonds which are to be formed and there is the formation of nickel tetracarbonate, iron tricarbonate, etc. The Grignard reagent. Francis accused Victor Grignard 1871 to 1935. He was the student of Philippe Barbier. Barbier reaction, which is of zinc. He discovered the Grignard reagent, magnesium iodide, in 1900. He became a professor at the University of Nancy in 1910 and was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1912. So the reaction which is to be mentioned here and how it is to be prepared, you are well known about this, and just think about and write down in your notebook also how that the reaction is proceed. Heptoligands and sandwich compound. The hepto symbol with numerical subscript provides a topological description by indicating the number of carbon atoms at the bonding distance to the metal. So it is a make that a sandwich between the metal and the carbon bond. So these are the examples: half sandwich, that bent sandwich, ferrocene, etc. The ferrocene path break discovery of the sandwich compound, which is to be shown on the diagram, and the scientists Hawson and G. Wilkinson, they studied in 1952. Ferrocene fuel additive, smoke suppressant, and the chiral catalyst precursor. So the perox gas diesel fuel additive is a catalyst that is an eco-friendly fuel additive and horsepower booster. It allegedly increases mileage from between 10 to 20% while also significantly reducing harmful emissions. First organometallic in homogeneous catalyst, the hydroformylation in 1938. That Otto Rollin, who is the pioneer in industrial homogeneous catalysis, and his era is 1897 to 1993. The reaction which you have seen, that first industrial plant which is to be placed in hydroformylation, and the reaction which is to be proceed to the detergent. Organometallic catalyst in industrial synthesis, they got the three Nobel Prizes, 200, 2000, 2005 and 2010. So the hydrogenato, methanol and acetic acid process, which is to be formed in olefin polymerization and oligolization. The reaction you have to write in your notebook. 18 electron rule. How to count electrons? The rule states that thermodynamically stable transition metal organometallic compounds are formed when the sum of the metal d electrons and the electrons conventionally considered as being supplied by the surrounded ligands equals, which is of 18. In general, the conditions favoring adherence to the 18 electron rule are an electron rich metal, one that is in a low oxidation state, and the ligands that is a good pi acceptor. The hapto symbol with a numerical superscript provides the topological description by indicating the connectivity between the ligand and the central atom. For example, if all the 5 carbon atoms of cyclopentadienyl moiety are equidistant from a metal atom, which is shown in a diagram. The symbol nu indicates bridging. Normally we have nu2 and really nu-t bridging examples which are shown in the on the slide. The methods of counting: neutral atom method and the oxidation state method. In this case, the liquid carbonyl neutral atom is 2, oxidation state is 2, ligand is halogen, that metal halides, neutral atom is 1, oxidation state is 2, and formal charge which is of negative. So likewise the examples which are mentioned on the slide, they are to be showing that how they form. Now the neutral atom method, metal is taken as a zero oxidation state for counting purposes. Oxidation state method, we first arrive at the oxidation state of the metal by considering the number of anionic ligands present and overall charge of the compound. The focus on the counting method till you are confident. So you have to read it carefully, count it. It is rubidium, which is of having that 8 electrons in outermost shell, and 3 that alkyl, which is of 3, 2 ppHc, which is of 4. So total of that atom method which is of charge, it is 16. Oxidation state, it is 16. So the compound which is of showing that electrons and the methods how it is to be formed. How to determine the total number of metal-metal bonds? Determine the total valence electrons in the entire molecule, that is the number of valence electrons of the metal plus the number of electrons from each ligand and a charge. Subtract the number of n into 18, where n is the number of metal in the complex and that is n into 18 is A. B divided total number of metal-metal bonds in the complex. It divided n gives to the number of electrons per metal. If the number of electron is 18, it indicates that there is no metal-metal bond. If it is 17, it indicates that there is the metal-metal bond. If it is 16 electrons, it indicates there are two metal-metal bonds. For example, Ap3CO 12. So total electron, valence electron are 48. So 18 into n, that is the 54 minus 48 equal to 6. So the total metal-metal bonds are 3 and bonds per metal, that is 48 divided by 2 equal to 16, that is the 2, and basic geometry, it is the trigonometry. So likewise the examples which are to be shown here, you have to study it carefully, read it, understand it, and if you have any doubt, please communicate me by my mail. Thank you. Revise the points of organometallic compounds. You have to have the skill of drawing the metal organometallic compounds, their bonds, understand sigma and pi bonding, what are the organometallic compounds, and how that 18 real electron rule it is to be followed. Be careful, take care. Thank you very much.